Hey, Riley from Lume here to introduce you to the latest addition in our drone lighting line, the Strobe, an anti-collision light for drones. As drones become more regulated, anti-collision lighting is now more important than ever for both line of sight and safety reasons. The Strobe meets all federal drone regulations, including 360-degree visibility, can be seen from over 3 statute miles away, and it has 3 different settings including high strobe, low strobe, and a continuous light output. Rechargeable via micro USB, the Strobe can last over 2 hours on the highest strobe setting. Our anti-collision light includes 2 color caps in every box, so you have the ability to strobe in white, red, or green color, and we use 3M dual lock technology to mount to every single drone in the market.